Hi, today we'll be taking a look at the Tikit Virtual Agent. Tikit Virtual Agent, or just the Virtual Agent, is the end user application and the companion application to Tikit. So you'll add Tikit to teams for your agents and admins to interact with and resolve tickets, but you'll want to add the Tikit Virtual Agent to teams for all of your end users to interact with the AI bot and also submit tickets or hopefully have tickets deflected. There are a handful of ways within Tikit for tickets to be submitted, but interacting with the virtual agent is the best way for your end users to access the knowledge base, access templated forms, kickoff automations, and a few other items that we will discuss here within this video. Now today we will be joining Adele, who is one of our end users, and she's already got the Tikit Virtual Agent chat pulled up here. So you can see here on the left-hand side that the virtual agent shows up in her recent chat history just like any of her teammates or coworkers within her team's tenant. We can also access the virtual agent via the applications here on the left-hand side, and we can pin it. Now you might notice that this is named slightly different from virtual agent. That's because the virtual agent is completely customizable. So any admins within your team's environment can actually go in and rename, rebrand, and customize the icon. Okay, so let's take a look at interacting with the virtual agent. So I'm going to go ahead and start a new chat with the virtual agent, and it's going to prompt me to say help. So let's go ahead and take a look at what that does. So sending help will actually pull up a menu of some different commands and items that we can say to the virtual agent. And let's just take a look at what that looks like. So I'll say status of my requests. And for this unique end user's requests or tickets that have been made, the virtual agent will look into the database and pull up just those tickets. So here are some of Adele's most recent tickets. We can also say things like, and this particular phrase or question doesn't have to be exact, it doesn't have to match exactly what has been put into the knowledge base by your ticket admins or ticket agents, but the knowledge base is where the virtual agent will actually look to see, hey, has a similar question or similar phrase been saved in here? And if so, what's the response? In this case, anytime something is asked like, my emails aren't sending, my Outlook isn't working, emails aren't going out, the virtual agent knows to respond with a very simple response of, hey, is Outlook in online mode? So now that Adele has sent this question in, my emails aren't sending, the virtual agent knows to respond with the most likely cause of this, in this example anyways, is Outlook in online mode. If we say yes, that's going to deflect a ticket from being created. So your agents and admins will not receive a ticket. There will not be any further work to do. But in this case, I'm going to go ahead and hit no. So I checked Outlook's in online mode, and we're going to hit no. So this will prompt the virtual agent to expand this card here and give our end user a chance to add to the request. And hit submit. And now this is going to submit a ticket. Okay, so virtual agent lets us know that a ticket has been opened, number 66, and it also presents us with a few options here as well, right? So we can take a look at status of our requests again, we can reply to that particular ticket, we can just see that ticket, or even add attachments to it. I think it's important to reiterate here that this is not just a simple chat, but this is also where your end users can receive notifications, updates on their tickets, and really where they will go to interact with all of their requests, get updates on the requests, and as you see, add attachments. And in general, they don't have to go outside of this particular chat window, so they don't need to leave the virtual agent to receive updates or to receive the answers that they need. So not only can the virtual agent have a conversation of sorts with our end users, depending on what's built out in the knowledge base, the virtual agent can also serve up dynamic forms, or what we call templates. So in this example, our end user sent the phrase new laptop to the virtual agent, and the virtual agent served us up this form. Now it's important to note that it doesn't have to just be new laptop, but things like I need a new computer, or I need a new device, looking for a replacement PC, whatever it may be, however you build out your knowledge base, the virtual agent will be more confident of what is being asked and how to answer. In this example, we wanted to answer with this dynamic form, or again, a template, and templates are part of the feature set found in the M365 Service Desk tier of Tikit. So, looking at this example, Tikit Virtual Agent sent us this card, and again, it's not just simple text, it's actually an interactive form that we can actually select what kind of new device we're looking for. And we'll just go ahead and hit Lenovo and submit. Virtual Agent lets us know they're working on it, and there it is. The new ticket has been created. Okay, so thank you for joining us today as we take a look at the Virtual Agent. The Tikit Virtual Agent can be found within App Source just like Tikit and needs to be added as a separate application to your team's tenant. Again, this is for your end users, and it really is the best way for your end users to submit tickets, access the knowledge base, or supply answers to forms for your agents and admins to give them the best help and the best service possible.